Samsung gone beyond expectations. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro new leaks are out, and to my surprise, this is the best leak so far, and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro prices are almost confirmed by the European retailer. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro on August 10th along with Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Buds, and you can get a free credit if you pre-order your Galaxy Watch 5 and get a $50 credit on it. And if you want your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro on time, then you can reserve a place for it right now. Head over to Samsung's official website and reserve your Watch 5 Pro. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Which one would you want to get this year? Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro battery capacity is out, and Samsung gone beyond expectations. According to Ice Universe, the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can last at least 3 days, which means you can get even more battery life out of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Thanks to the previously leaked Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro battery capacity was out, where it powered 572 mAh battery, way more than what base model Galaxy Watch 5 will offer. Galaxy Watch 5 will get 272 mAh battery, and its bigger version will get 398 mAh battery, and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could potentially be the first smartwatch to give us 3 days of battery life. The price of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro was out by European retailer, and in the past, this retailer give the right prices. According to him, we get 3 versions. Galaxy Watch 5 40mm will cost you €259, Galaxy Watch 5 44mm will cost you €286, and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will cost you €430. Now, these prices are for Bluetooth versions of Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, and you can expect a bit more if you want to get an LTE version. The official looks of both Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was out this month, where Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will not come with the rotating bezel, but the bezels are too big on Watch 5 Pro, and some people don't like it. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will come with a 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, and these are just rumors and nobody confirmed it. And Evan Boss also shared the faces of Galaxy Watch 5 along with new One UI 4.5 and Wear OS 3.5. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro. Which one would you prefer this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.